Are you trying to access one of your drives on your computer, only to find out that it is missing and you cannot find it anywhere? Here's what you can do. To start, you can try to perform a quick virus scan on your Windows computer just by searching Windows Security, then scan any malware. Next option is to rescan your disk by searching Computer Management, expand Storage, select Disk Management, then click Action, and select Rescan Disk. There could be also an application, program, or driver that is interfering with the recognition of your drive on Windows. So to root it out, try performing clean boot of your Windows, which loads the least amount of programs and drivers, and see if the drive shows up. So last in the list, check that the drive is connected and working properly. So for an external drive, try connecting it to a different USB port or using a different cable to see if it works. But if your drive is internal, you'll have to open up the PC to check the connections and see if any are faulty. So that's how to troubleshoot a missing drive in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.